Okay,
Yeah.
you wanna go parang a coaching session?
Yes,
Try
yes.
sama? What would you like to talk about now that would be the most impactful conversation this whole year?
Alright. I guess top of the mind, coach, is people management. I think that's something na really challenging for me as a leader since different personalities, di ba, yung hinahandle mo.
So you wanna talk about people management?
Yeah.
Okay. Anong gusto mong outcome sa conversation natin na ito? Just right now, just the next 30 minutes.
Parang handle different personalities
Okay.
siguro more effectively, I guess. Yeah.
Okay. So you want at the end of this conversation, what is it? Anong gusto mo at the end of this conversation? Na parang pag na-hit natin yun, okay, successful tong conversation na ito.
For me, I guess to be, ano ba, better leader, to,
Sige,
yan, sa
got it.
paganda siya.
Alright, sige. So better leader. How can we measure na successful yung conversation natin ngayon? Na pag itong boom, Jay, successful itong conversation na ito. Based on that, you want to be a better leader. Tama ba? Sige, anong gusto mong?
If I'm able to make my teammates move and really parang execute.
Execute.
Oo.
Okay, got it. Alright, sige, got it. So, at the end of this conversation, kung malaman mo on how to make them execute, kung makuha natin yung successful yung conversation natin ngayon. Tama? So if I can ask you now, why is this meaningful to you na yun ang kakalabasan?
Because, kasi if my teammates are able to parang move and execute and ma-help out ko sila doon, in return, parang beneficial din yun sa kanila eh. Parang they will be able to also fast-track their goals.
Sure. So that's why it is meaningful to you. Okay, got it. So, if I ask you now, parang on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 is nakuha na natin yung clarity na sabi mo on better leadership. Nasaan kaya tayo ngayon? I just want to measure before we start. On a scale of 1 to 10, yung hinahanap mo.
On the scale, at the moment, yung current
Right
rating
now,
ko.
kasi para ma-measure ko natin sa at the end of this conversation. 10, na parang clear ka about this one, that better leadership. Nasaan ka kaya ngayon?
Siguro 6.5.
6.5. Alright, sige, got it. So, anong ideas that you have right now about that? Na parang, hey, about being a better, tama ba? Better leader. Kasama na yung conflict management. Anong gusto mo palang i-focus natin? Yung sa conflict management, better leadership, kung pipili ka sa isang
Better leadership na lang.
better leadership. Okay, sige. So, do you have any ideas on how you could be a better leader?
Ano ba? Yung sukatan ng pagiging better leader, coach. I guess if my teammates, yun nga po, are able to reach their goals through the work that we do as well. So, nafu-fulfill nila yung mga bagay na gusto nilang ma-achieve because of this.
Sure.
So, yun.
Ano yung connection with your better? Are you saying if you're a better leader, they will be better performing? Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Tama ba yun?
Parang directly proportional
Sure.
sila.
Sige. So, better leader, better performance. And could you please explain how does that work? Na if you're a better leader, they will be better performance. Paano yun?
Parang that reminds me of yung sabi ni John Maxwell, yung law of the lead, coach, na parang if kung hanggang saan lang yung capacity ko as a leader, hanggang doon lang din yung teammates ko. So, yun. So, better leadership, me being a better leader would also produce parang better teammates as well.
So, why did you use that analogy, yung law of the lead? What are you saying?
Na parang I have to take ownership of it, na to keep improving myself. Kasi the more that I improve, the more that my team will also grow.
So correct me if I'm wrong, you are saying that if I grow, my team grows.
Mm-hmm. Yes po.
So, in that growth part, sabi na natin, 10 is where yung level mo as a leader that grows, that they get to hit that. Sabi mo kasi lottery. So, kunyari,
Yes, coach.
10 ka, di tataas sila. Tama ba? Parang they will hit their goals na sinasabi mo.
Yes, coach.
Okay? Where do you think you are now if 10 is that growth mo, parang mag-grow rin sila? Where do you think on a scale of 1 to 10?
To be very honest, I think yun, coach, 6.5.
6.5. Okay. Do you have any ideas on how you could grow that would make you 10?
I guess one, siguro top of the mind, is to keep learning from the best, no, from the leaders that came before me already, you know, and also parang other mentors pa. Ayan. So,
You want the best? It's there.
yes, so to keep on learning
So
and
you use the word mentor.
Yeah,
Okay, go ahead.
have mentors, and then I guess to keep engaging my team and build relationship with them. Kasi I feel like it doesn't work na parang transactional lang. Parang I give the work and then they fulfill. So, yun. I guess those two things.
Okay, so if I can ask, on that relationship building, kasi transactional, so in that relationship building on a scale of 1 to 10, where do you think you are right now?
Siguro 7.
7. Alright, so this one needs to go to a 10. Tama?
Yeah.
Ito sa mentoring, talking to people, learning on a scale of 1 to 10.
I'm gonna give myself siguro 9. I love learning talaga pag may mga opportunities.
So parang ito ba ang nakikita mo, yung relationship building?
Sort of, I guess, coach. Kasi siguro to share as well, parang I realized for recently lang na I'm not confrontational, and parang when I see things na parang hindi ito okay pero at the back of my mind, iniisip, baka ako lang nag-iisip na hindi okay, ganyan. So, yun, I think that one as well. In terms of relationship
why did you
building.
mention that? Could you expound? Why did you mention na, hey, because I'm not confrontational? Anong connection nun sa relationship building?
Like, for example, I have a teammate na, let's say, medyo nawawala siya. Ganon. Parang hindi siya nagpaparamdam, tahimik siya, tapos for several days na. Tapos I also felt na parang nagkaroon ng gap between us. So, unang naiisip ko niyan is, maybe, baka may pinagdadaanan lang siya. Parang ganon. Or, hala, baka may nagawa akong something na that led to that. You know? And then my initial response would always be to wait until such time na tumagal na pala siya ng tumagal. Na instead of me parang confronting na agad or reaching out to that person already. So
what has stopped you from doing that? You seem to know na yun ang dapat gawin. What has stopped you from doing that?
That maybe I was just overthinking. Yun, no? Coach.
So what do you... Ano yan? Anong reaction na yun?
Kasi I realized na I could have solved the problem ng mas maaga if I have just reached out and not have assumed. So, there's no way to know naman kundi to talk to the person rather than parang being passive and just waiting. So, yun, coach.
So, can I ask, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 na clear ka na? In the beginning of the conversation, you said you were a 6.5.
Yeah.
Where are you kaya now in clarity on...
8.
8. So, okay lang? How is this conversation so far for you?
Good, coach. I'm learning. Parang mas nagkakaroon ako ng clarity. O nga, no? Parang gano'n.
What else ang kailangan natin mapag-usapan now para maging 10 siya? Kasi now naging 8. What else do we need to talk about?
Siguro, parang yung missing na 2 is that, how do I know when is parang the best time to reach out? Kasi I also understand that you have to give people some time to think as well or maybe to process things out for themselves kung may pinagdadaanan nga din sila. So, siguro doon ako na i-stop. How long do I wait?
Okay. So, from what I'm hearing, alam mo naman, now you know I gotta build a better relationship. I
Yeah.
just need to reach out. The question na lang is the when to reach out. Okay. Do you have any ideas on when to reach out?
I don't have coach. An exact
If
answer.
you have an idea, what do you think it is? When?
Not sure. Maybe after a day?
So after a day, should reach out already to someone. Ano yun? Bakit ka na-
Hindi ko sure kasi coach kung tama yung after a day.
Paano
Or it
natin
might be too
malalaman?
soon. To just do it?
Why question mark?
Kasi, again, I'll go back to the parang thought na every person is different.
Sure.
So, parang maybe, let's say, you are that person. So, I reach out to you after a day and it went well. And then the other person could be creative.
Can I
Parang
ask you,
ganun.
out of every 10 people you will try that, you think it will work or it will not work sa tingin mo? Ilan ang mag-work sa tingin mo?
I'm not sure.
But if you are sure, what would it be?
I think more than 50%.
So
But
50.
then,
So 50-50 siya.
Mm.
50-50. Okay. So punta tayo doon sa tao na you're not sure.
Mhm.
Na baka hindi okay. What's the worst case scenario na you talk to a person and that person is not ready after just a day? Anong worst case scenario mangyayari?
She will just reject yung pag-reach out ko. And then maybe tell me na she's not ready to talk things out yet.
And how does it make you feel if that's what she says?
I think much better than just waiting and parang wondering if ano na yung nangyayari.
What's the next step you should do now that you know this thing?
To still ask and then just keep on asking.
So I need an immediate step na you will do this now after our conversation to address this part na concern mo about reaching out. Anong next step na gagawin mo? I want something concrete na mare-report mo sa akin that I did this.
To something concrete, coach. Yun, reach out to those people na
Give
in
me a
my
name.
mind. A name? Mag-name drop talaga ako, coach.
Go.
I guess one of my former core leaders in the
Sige.
team, yeah.
Okay. What's your name? When you reach out to
Tomorrow. Sabi ko after a day, di ba, coach?
Sige lang. So, by what time mo siya i-reach out?
Maybe 9 a.m.
9 a.m. Yes?
Noted,
Tama.
coach.
Okay, got it. Do it. I will ask you to check in on you. Okay, yun?
Okay, coach.
All right, good. What did you learn from this conversation about yourself?
That it's okay to ask. And and the worst thing that could happen is parang for that person to reject you, but still, you can still parang try again, diba? At least you won't overthink and keep on wondering. Hindi ka ma-stuck lang dun sa cycle na isip ka ng isip. So,
Got it. How do you feel right now?
better that I have, I guess, more clarity.
Totoo ba to? Or parang baka naman you're just being nice to me?
Hindi naman, coach. Tawag dyan. Siguro I have parang one more question in my mind.
Go ahead. What is that question?
Kasi parang what if I keep reaching out to this person or... Ba't iyak? Tawag dyan, I keep reaching out to this person already and then parang I know I did my best to make this person parang really grow and but then parang Nag-reply naman, pero still passive-aggressive. Wow, bitch. Hindi kasama mo to. Wow. So yun, coach. Parang the only question that I know as a leader, parang our role is to really keep reaching out, diba? Parang dapat hindi ka napapagod to really reach out to your team. But yeah,
so important for you to be reaching out to them?
Kasi I really want them to grow. I guess it's not for myself, but for them. And sometimes it's painful if parang that person doesn't parang see that angle, diba? So yun ko. Yeah, I want to see them grow.
Why do you want to see them grow?
Because I love them, coach, no? Parang me bringing them into this business is me also taking responsibility for their growth. So, yun, coach.
So this is out of love.
Mm-hmm.
You are doing this out of love. You are reaching out to people out of love.
Mm-hmm. Leadership is hard. It's challenging. But I also parang keep reminding myself na parang it's worth it. Kasi parang on the other side of the coin, it is so fulfilling to be in the front row seats when I see the growth already for dun sa mga teammates ko.
That's why you do what you do. Of the 100 people you have helped, I'm sure there's more than 120 people you have helped.
Hopefully.
Diba? And ilang percent kaya doon grateful about you touching their life? Mga ilang percent kaya?
Siguro mga 80% naman, coach. No?
Okay, so,
kasi parang rare naman yung instance na may mga ganon. Very rare naman
Did you
siya.
hear what you just said right now? What did you say?
Very rare naman siya. Yeah.
Parang nakakatawa, no, yung human, parang it's the 20%. Sorry, what you're about to react.
Tama, coach. Na-realize ko lang daw na oo nga.
What is it? What are you realizing?
Hindi. I guess it's just me. Or I don't know kung default ba yun ng mind to focus dun on the 20% rather than, the 80% is the bigger percentage, diba? We should put our energy on.
Mm-hmm. There you go.
Mm-hmm.
What's one question I have not asked you that I should ask you?
Para yung top of the mind question ko, pero hindi ko sure kung
Go.
or kung na-ask mo na ba siya, pero hindi. Why do I keep doing what I do despite parang, those challenging
I'll ask you
things?
then, why are you doing what you're doing in spite of the challenges?
I really want my team to keep on growing, and kasi if they parang grow, we'll be able to create more lasting impact as well. Not just in our organization, not just to our clients, but even to the world.
So that's why you're doing this. So when the going gets tough, you know why you're doing this. Tama?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, got it. Now, how would you like to wrap up this session?
With gratitude, I guess, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Thank you very much. I will wait to hear from Prim if you have talked to
Okay.
Alrighty. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. On a scale of 1 to 10, yung kanina, so naging 6.5 naging 8. Where is it now?
10, definitely.
Yay!